Hello friends, an old age question that is often asked as a riddle: what come first, chicken or egg? If you say chicken, the question arises, which egg did the first chicken hatch from? If you say egg, the question arises, which chicken laid the very first egg? Let me teach you the mystery of egg and chicken, but before that please like, share and subscribe the channel. About 150 million years ago, when Earth was ruled by dinosaurs, some small dinosaur, some big dinosaur, dinosaurs that can run, dinosaur that can flew. This was the time when, due to the evolution of some dinosaurs, started getting smaller and birds started evolving. The first bird evolved around this time, and as we know that evolution doesn't happen in a linear direction. It can be happen in any direction, whatever it fits. So some dinosaurs evolved into scarier dinosaur like T-Rex, and some dinosaur got smaller and evolved into birds. That's why it is said that the common chicken today and dinosaur T-Rex has a common ancestor. In fact, the T-Rex closest living relatives and present-day chicken and ostrich. Look at an ostrich closely, sometime they give off a lot of dinosaur vibes because of this. And all dinosaur used to lay eggs like these ostrich and chicken. In fact, even birds before the evolved dinosaur used to lay eggs. Among animals, the art of laying egg is an ancient. So if we talk about chicken, egg and such, which have a hard outer membrane of shell, their evolution took place around 300 billion years ago, and if we compare these egg with a chicken, the evolution of chicken took place only 3500 years ago. You heard it right. Around 1500 BC, in Southeast Asia, people starting farming rice and millets. A large quantity of grain were grown, which attracted a wild animal living in the nearby jungle. This animal was a wild red jungle fowl, very similar to a chicken, but the difference is that it lived in the jungle of Southeast Asia. When humans started farming, it started living nearby the farms because of grains. And around this, people started domesticating it. Because of this domestication, it evolved through thousands of years, and it evolved into today chicken. This species of jungle fowl is still alive. You can still find it in the jungle of Southeast Asia. But if you compare it to a common chicken, you can see some difference. The scientific name of this fowl species and common chicken is Gallus gallus and Gallus gallus domestica. So one thing is clear here, that egg are 300 million year old and chicken is 3500 year old. So egg evolved much earlier than chicken. But you will say that the 300 million year old egg were not laid by a chicken egg. It is not so difficult to get to the answer if you understood the stages of evolution. It's very simple. Chicken evolved from wild red jungle fowl. This wild red jungle fowl must have evolved from another animal. Let's call that animal a proto-chicken. Means the ancestor of chicken. So there must have been a point in time when a proto-chicken mated. During reproduction there must have been genetic mutation, and due to this an egg was formed from which the first true red jungle fowl was born. And in the same way the first chicken must have been too. The combination of two proto-chicken DNA create the first true chicken DNA. This evolution process occur only during reproduction. It is only after this that the true chicken would have laid more egg and giving birth to more chicken. So the answer to this question is very clear, that the egg come first, and this egg was not laid by chicken but it was given by an ancestor specs of a chicken which was almost like a chicken.